Hello, it's me, Amber Trout, and welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today, we are going to play with a little feature in Google Slides. Google Slides has a ton of great features, but maybe you just don't know that they're there. And so I'm going to show you one today that is a very cool feature. So first of all, you just need to have a Google Slides presentation up, anything that you have, and you have to click on Present in order for this to work. So click on Present. And then once it loads and it's in presentation mode, there is something at the bottom called closed captioning. Yes, I know that most people know what closed captioning is, but you may not know how it actually works here in Google Slides. So click on it and it turns yellow. And now it reads out all of the words that I'm saying on your screen. It's great for students that need accommodations so that they can see the screen and read it rather than just hearing what the teacher is saying. Also, I've used it for screen recordings, recording your screen and then having the words read out so that they can review it later. It's a really amazing feature in Google that you can use whenever you need to, whenever you're presenting. So if you click it off, it turns it off. And you can have a couple of features in here that you can make it at the top or the bottom of your screen, whichever is better for you, and then you can change the text size. The one thing that people ask all the time is, does it save your words once you click on the closed captioning? And it does not. So that's why I suggest using a screen recording, because that way you can capture the whole screen with the words and then send that video out later if you'd like to. So it is kind of in the moment reading the words out, but it will not save them. So just do a screen recording and you can use those for later use. All right, I hope that you had an amazing Tuesday and I hope this was a helpful tip for you. So I'll see you next week and thank you for joining me.